Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Thursday, September 29th, 2022.
Please stand to join me in a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence.
Salute,
pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stand for a moment of silence.
You may be seated.
To Thursday's breakfast: apple filter, ham and cheese, croissant, juice choice, fruit choice. Lunch: Crispitos, black beans, corn, fruit and juice.
Thursday's weather: high of 81, low of 60, sunny, and a 0% chance of rain.
Today's announcements: please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades: please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an updated electronic copy each week. Just in case, please continue sending the envelopes with the prize codes to the office in your snack bag. Prizes will be delivered on September 29th, Miss Arch.
Important date: September 30th is Feel Good Friday. Also September 30th, we are going gold for Maddie. Wear a shirt for a $1 donation to St. Jude's. October 3rd, environmental central presentation for second and third grade. October 6th, United Way Out of Uniform for $2. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, no school, teacher work day. October 11th, second quarter begins. October 14th, 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through 21st, book fair. October 17th is Red Cross Mobile. October 21st is Kona Ice, and October 24th through 28th is Red Ribbon Week.
Happy birthday. Thursday birthday: Alexia Crawford, Scarlett Kemp, Sebastian Spain. Send us your question of the day. Are you curious about something? Always wonder how something works.
Send us your question, and it may be chosen for our question of the day and will be answered by the research team. You can submit questions to the question box located on the library.
Have a marvelous Thursday.